Namaste to all GVNs. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about types of proteins and the function of protein. If we talk about the types of proteins or classification of the proteins, so they are basically classified on the basis of their orientation and on the basis of the nature of product of hydrolysis by acid and proteolytic enzymes. The proteins are grouped under two categories. First is simple protein. So simple proteins on hydrolysis yield only amino acids. On the basis of solubility properties, simple proteins are classified as follows, like albumins, globulins, prolamins, glutalins, and scleroproteins. First of all, what is albumins? So they are soluble in water and salt solution. Globulins sparingly soluble in water but soluble in salt solutions. Prolamins are soluble in 70 to 80% alcohol but insoluble in water and absolute alcohol. And glutalins are insoluble in all the above solvents but soluble in acid or alkali. Scleroproteins insoluble in aqueous solvents found in they are found in only animals. Second type is conjugate proteins. These proteins on hydrolysis yield amino acids plus some non-amino acids part called as the prosthetic group. Depending upon the nature of prosthetic group associated with them, conjugate proteins are classified as below, like nucleoproteins or histones. These are associated with nucleic acid. Second is glycoproteins. These are associated with some carbohydrates. Third one is chromoproteins. These proteins are associated with some coloring matter. For example, chlorophylls, carotenoids, phycobilins, etc. Fourth is lipoproteins. These are associated with some lipids or fatty substances. They are chiefly found in cytomembranes. Fifth one is iron porphyrin proteins. These are associated with iron porphyrin compounds like the cytochromes. Next one is simple metal containing proteins. These proteins are associated with some metal directly, like ferredoxin, where Fe iron atoms are directly attached to the protein molecules. Seventh is flavoproteins. These are associated with some flavin compounds. For example, FAD means flavin adenine dinucleotide. On the other hand, if we talk about the functions of proteins, so proteins are vital for the growth and repair, and their functions are endless. They also have enormous diversity of biological function and are the most important final products of the information pathways. Proteins, which are composed of amino acids, serve in many roles in the body. For example, enzymes, structural components, hormones, and antibodies. They act as structural components such as keratin of hair, nail, collagen of bone, etc. Proteins are the molecular instruments through which genetic information is expressed. They execute their activities in the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in hemoglobin and special enzymes in the red cells. They function in the homeostatic control of the volume of the circulating blood and that of the interstitial fluid through the plasma protein. They are involved in blood clotting through thrombin, fibrinogen, and other protein factors. They act as the defense against infections by means of protein antibodies. They perform hereditary transformation or transmission by nucleoproteins of the cell nucleus. Albumin, glutenin, etc. are storage proteins. Actin and myosin act as contractile protein important for the muscle contraction. They are involved in the formation of muscle. So these are the functions of proteins which are diversified And this session is now sum up. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.